back to my page. I'm Ellie Fraser, and today I will be doing, I have chosen to do a blow. I want to do a flower, so bring it out to look like sort of like a flower. I'm pretty excited. I want to share with you as well that I sold my first painting today. Yay! So I'm pretty happy with that. It's motivated me to keep on painting. So I am going in with the colours that I'm using today. We have got most of them from Mont. I did purchase these from Capriole Shabby Chic, so thanks for that. I have got the Mont magenta colour, a light purple. I've actually darkened it up with some blue. I wanted a darker purple, so I just put an extra bit of blue in there. I also got Mont Pearl Sapphire, also Mont, and then black and the white from Kmart. I went in, obviously my normal mix with the PVA Mont 70-30 mix, so 70% PVA and 30% water. I added silicone. This is also from Capriole Shabby Chic as well. So it's, yeah, silicone. I added it in only to the purple and that pinky colour. Just one drop. Don't need too much of that just to create the cells. Okay, so I'll go in, put my gloves on first. All right, the canvas I've got today is 12, I think it's 12 by 12, so I think that's about 30 centimetres each side. I already placed it in little pins here just to raise it off the mat, just so if anything falls over it doesn't get stuck. So I've already gone ahead and done that. All right, we're going to go in with the white first, pouring all over. You want to cover that everywhere, so make sure you put a lot on. All right. Okay, so I'm going to go in now with the colours. I will put down the purple first. I'm going to do it off to the side. Now I'm going to do, this is like a metallic blue. Now I don't know if this is, I think that's runny enough. So with the, when you're mixing in the PVA, just keep putting PVA and the water in until you think it's runny enough. So you do need it quite runny for the blowouts. Go away, fly. Alright, so now going on with the pinky colour. A little bit more in. Alright, now I don't want too much black, so I'm just going to drizzle it with the stick over the top. Just put in a little bit of dots here and there. One more dot, there you go. Okay. I'm not too sure what to do here. I don't know whether to just use my mouth and blow it out, or if I should give a go my red machine. I didn't have any luck last time I used that, but I've worked out how to use it, well, how to turn it on now. So actually, I'll put white around the colours, so it can flow better. Alright, wish me luck. poured the white over the top, or pushed it over. It's creating lots of pretty cells. Okay. All right, here we go. Might add some more colour just so it can be pushed out. We'll go with the pinky colour. Bit of black and a little bit of white around it. Try now with the straw. I sort of wanted more petal-like, so I'm going to try to push some white back into the middle bits. So now I will leave it, let it dry, see how it goes, and I will take a video of the finished project. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like, be muchly appreciated. Till next time.